Hey guys, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix this problem when you get an MC pack and you click on it and it'll directly open it to Minecraft. So let's wait for it to load. Now it's gonna say import started and you'll be happy because you got a new one. And see, it failed to import. Yes, we all hate the problem, but in this video I will be showing you how to fix it. So let's go. So this works for only iOS, and you're gonna need the Documents app, the file that you installed, and Minecraft and the Files app. So you're gonna see this on your recents. You wanna long press it. You wanna long press your MC pack and make sure that Documents is already downloaded. Click Share. And you wanna click Copy to Documents. And then it's gonna say Done. Okay, so now it's been imported. Now you wanna click Open another app. This might work and this might not work. But if it doesn't work for me, it works for me. Maybe there's a problem, and if this works for some people, well, congratulations. Now you're gonna click the share. You're gonna click Open in another app, and then you're gonna click Minecraft. Now it's gonna load. So you're gonna wait for it to load. And I do not have the seed yet because this is true. And then it's gonna say import started. You see, successfully imported seed packs texture pack. So now you saw that it works. Now you're gonna go to your settings, global resources, and there's the seed packs. I can activate it and I can deactivate it. So these are all are downloaded, but some of them actually works without using this. Some of the texture packs doesn't need to do these steps. But just to be sure, see, I got this bicubic shader by using that step, and also this Squigs pastel packs. That works now because I use the Documents app and also for the seed packs. And also the bicubic shader. But I didn't actually know that you didn't need that. But it still works. And there you go. Now your texture packs is now downloaded. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And this is actually really works. And I see some people do this, so it actually works and it's not fake. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.